By yon bonny banks and by yon bonny braes, where the sun shines bright on Loch Lomond, where me and my true love were ever one to gae, on the bonny, bonny banks o' Loch Lomond. Oh, ye'll tak the high road, I'll tak the low road, I'll be in Scotland afore ye, but me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks o' Loch Lomond.
'Twar Clutton sergeants come frae the Black Watch to markets and fair, some recruits for to catch, and all that they listed was 40 and 12. So list my bonny laddie and come awa, and it's over the mountains and over the Main, through Gibraltar to France and Spain. Get a feather to your bonnet and a kilt about your knee, and list my bonny laddie and come with me.
I'll tak my blythe, contented to be a wee bitty kilted aboon my knee, and I'll gie my pipes another blaw, and I'll gang o'er the hills to Galloway. Oh, the Galloway hills are covered with broom, with heather bells and bonny bloom, with heather bells and rivers all, and I'll gang o'er the hills to Galloway.
There was a weaver o' the north, and oh, but he was cruel. The very first night that he got wed, he sat and he grat for gruel. He wouldn't want to screw, he wouldn't want to screw. Oh, the very first night that he got wed, he sat and he grat for gruel.
As I come in by Auchindoun, just a wee bit frae the tune, frae the Hielands I was bound to view the hawks of Grondale. I met a man in tartan trews and speared at him what was the news. Says he, the Hieland army roos, they're ere they come to Grondale.
Sound the pibroch loud and high, frae John of Groats to the Isle of Skye. Let every clan their slogan cry, rise and follow cheerily. Achin fo am fo am fo am, achin fo am fo am fo am, achin fo am fo am fo am. Rise and follow cheerily.
Summer days and heather bells come soon down our yon high, high hills. There's yellow corn in all the fields, and autumn brings the shearing. Bonny lassie, will ye gang and shear with me the whole day long? And love will cheer us as we gang to join the band of shearers. Scots wha hae wi Wallace bled, Scots one Bruce has oft times led. Welcome to your gory bed or to victory. Now's the day and now's the hour, see the front of battle hour, see approach proud Edward's power, chains and slavery. Fare well, ye dark and ye lonely hills, far awa beneath the sky. Macpherson's time will not be long on yonder gallows tree. Say rantonly, say wantonly, say dantonly gave he. He played a tune and he danced an aroon below the gallows tree.
Step we gaily on we go, heel for heel and toe for toe, arm in arm and row, all for Mary's wedding. Our highways up and down, myrtle green and bracken brune, past the shield and through the tune, all for sake o' Mary.
My Harry was a gallant gave, who stately strode he on the plain, but knew he's vanished far awa', I'll never see him back again. Oh, for him back again, oh, for him back again, I would gie on Knockhatsby's land for Highland Harry back again.
Oh, no fleet of whalers and sailing through Dundee, well manned by British sailors to work them on the sea. On the Western Ocean Passage, and with them can compare, well, there's not a ship could mark the trip as Galena, I declare.
The Diamond is a ship, my lads, for the Davis Strait she's bound, and the quay it is all garnished with bonny lasses round. Captain Thompson gives the order to sail the ocean wide, where the sun that never sets, my lads, no darkness dims the sky. So it's cheer up, my lads, let your hearts never fail, for the bonny ship the Diamond goes a-fishing for the whale.
Oh, my name is Jog Stewart, I'm a Carnigon man, and a roving young fellow I've been. So be easy and free when you're drinking with me. I'm a man you don't meet every day.
Well, you gang to the Highlands, lazy Lindsay. Well, you gang to the Highlands with me. Well, you gang to the Highlands, lazy Lindsay. My pride and my darling to be.
An old man came courting me, heading Durham, and an old man came courting me being young. An old man came courting me, fain would he marry me. Maids, when you're young, never wed an old man, for he's got no fallurum for little I-urum. He's got no fallurum for little I-a. He's got no fallurum, he's lost his dingurum. So maids, when you're young, never wed an old man.
There's lilt in the song I sing, there's laughter and love. There's the tang of the sea and blue from heaven above. Of reason there's none, and why should there be forby? With the fire and the blood and toes and the light in the eye. Fa la la lo ro, fa la la le. Fa la la lo ro, fa la la le. Fa la la lo ro, fa la la le. Falli fallo ro, fa la la le.
A fine wee lass,
A bunny wee lass is bunny wee Jeannie McCall,
I gave her my mother's engagement ring.
and a bunny wee tartan shawl.
And I met her at a wedding in the Coopery of Fall.
I was the best man.
She was the belle of the ball.
The very first night I met her, she was awfully, awfully shy.
The rain came pouring down and she was happy.
So was I.
We ran like mad for shelter and we ended up a stair.
the linking poor and you can my bricks.
Oh, I didn't care.
She's a fine wee lass, a bonny wee lass, is bonny wee Ginny McCall. I read of my brother's engagement, bringing a bonny wee tag and shawl. And I met her at a wedding at the Copenhagen Hall. I was the best man,
He was the best man.
and she was the belle of the ball.
My love, he is a handsome laddie, and though he is Dumbarton's caddie, someday I'll be a captain's lady when Johnny kneels and kisses me. Dumbarton's drums, they sound so bonny, and they remind me of my Johnny. What fond delight doth steal upon me when Johnny kneels and kisses me. Across the fields, oh, bound in heather, Dumbarton sounds the hour of pleasure. The joy I know will know no measure when Johnny kneels and kisses me. Dumbarton's drums, they sound so bonny, and they remind me of my Johnny. What fond delight doth steal upon me when Johnny kneels and kisses me. 'Tis he alone that can delight me, his roving eye, it doth invite me, and when his tender arms enfold me, the blackest night doth turn and flee. Dumbarton's drums, they sound so bonny, and they remind me of my Johnny. What fond delight doth steal upon me when Johnny kneels and kisses me. When Johnny kneels and kisses me. When Johnny kneels and kisses me.
My love, he stands in yon chamber door, coming down his yellow hair, his curly locks I like to see. I wonder if my love minds me. Will you gang, love, and leave me now? Will you gang, love, and leave me now? Will ye forsake your in love true, and gang wi' a lass that you never knew?
Oh, the summer time has come, and the leaves are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will ye go, lassie, go, and we'll all go together to the wild mountain thyme, all around the blooming heather.
Let us haste to Kelvin Grove, bonny lassie, oh. Through its mazes let us rove, bonny lassie, oh. Where the rose in all her pride paints the hollow dingle sign, where the midnight fairies glide, bonny lassie, oh.
I'll lay you down, love, I'll treat ye decent. I'll lay you down, love, I'll fill your can. I'll lay you down, love, I'll treat ye decent, for surely he is an honest man.
I have heard the mavis singing his love song to the morn. I have seen the dewdrop clinging to the rose just newly born. But a sweeter song has cheered me at evening's gentle close, and I've seen an eye still brighter than the dewdrop on the rose. 'Twas thy voice, my gentle Mary, and thine artless winning smile that made this world an Eden, bonny Mary, oh Argyle.
How blithe was I each morn to see my lass come o'er yon hill. She tripped the barn and ran to me. I met her with goodwill. Oh, the broom, the bonny, bonny broom, the broom of the cow down knows. Fain would I be in my ain country, in my father's yowes.
First when I came to the town, they called me young and bonny. Now they've changed my name, called me the Lee Bob's honey.
Speed, bonny bone, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the land that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Loud the winds howl, loud the waves roar, thunder clouds rend the air. Baffled our foes stand by the shore, follow they will not dare.
Why weep ye by the tide, lady? Why weep ye by the tide? I'll wed ye to my youngest son, and ye shall be his bride, and ye shall be his bride, lady. Say, come, lady, be seen. But I, she looked the tears to fall, jog o Hazeldean.
When I've done the work of day, and I roll my boat away down the waters of Loch Tay, when the evening light is fallen, then I look towards Benlors, where the after-glories glow, and I dream on two bright eyes with a merry mouth below. She's my beauteous Neanra, she's my joy and sorrow too, though I own she is not true. Ah, but I cannot live without her, for my heart's a boat in tow, and I'd give the world to know if she means to let me go as I sing her-ee-ho.
There's a nice wee lass and her name's Mary Mac. Mac, no mistake, she's the miss I'm gonna tag. There's a lot of other chaps that would get upon her track, but I'm thinking that we'll have to get up early. Mary Mac's feathers macking, Mary Mac, marry me. My feathers macking me, Mary, Mary Mac. I'm going to marry Mary to get married and take care of me. Well, I'll be macking Mary when I marry Mary Mac.
Oh, there's meal and there's ale where the gaudy runs, where the yellow corn and the bonny ones. The meal and there's ale where the gaudy runs up the back o' Benahee.
As Molly Lee come down the street, her capuchin did flee. She cast a look behind her to see her negligee. And we're all gone east and west, we're all gone Niagara. We're all gone east and west, the Kurt and Molly Lee.
A lassie was milking her feathers kye when a gentleman on horseback he come riding by. A gentleman on horseback he come riding by was the laird o' the Denty Dunby.
Where hae ye been, say, braw lad? Where hae ye been, say, Branky, oh? Where hae ye been, say, braw lad? Came ye by Killiecrankie, oh? And ye have been where I hae been. You wouldn't have been, say, Canty, oh? And ye seen what I hae seen on the braes of Killiecrankie, oh.
Will you gang with me, lassie, to the braes o' Burnie Bizzle, bait the yard and sea, lassie, will I rob to fend ye? I'll hunt the otter and the brock, the hart, the hare and heathercock, pull the limpet off the rock, the button and the mend ye. Ye banks and braes o' bonny Doon, how can ye bloom Se fresh and fair, how can ye chant, ye little birds, and I so weary full of care. You'll break my heart, ye warbling bird, that wantons through the flowery thorn. Reminds me of departed joys, departed never to return.
Watson Day and Huntley Toon, it's there I did agree. Oh, Bogie, oh, Carney, 6 months for the fee. To drive his twa best horses, to Carton, Harry and Plew, and they onything about farm work I very well could do.
I'm wearing a watch on like Snorri's and Thor John. I'm wearing a watch to the land o' the Lee. There's nae sorrow there, John. There's neither cold nor care, John. The days I fare in the land o' the Lee.
John Anderson, my Joe John, when we were first acquaint, your locks were like the raven, your bonny brow was brilliant. Knew your brow its ball, John, your locks are like the snow, a blessing on your frosty brow. John Anderson, my Joe. Father, dear father, pray what is this you've done? You've wed me to a college boy, a boy that's far too young. For he is only 16 years and I am 21. He's my bonny, bonny boy and he's growing. When I was new, but sweet 16, way beauty just a bloomin' no. Oh, little, little did I think at 19 I'd be great to know.
Oh, come all ye trams and hawkers and gatherers of all that round this country round and round, come to listen yen and all. I'll tell to you a roving tale and sights that I have seen, but it's far into the snowy north and south by Gretna Green.
Come saddle to me, my all grey mare. Come saddle to me, my pony, oh. I'll take the road and I'm gone far awa', awa' with the roving ploughboy, oh. Ploughboy, oh, ploughboy, oh. I'll follow the roving ploughboy, oh.
I bought a wife in Edinburgh for a bobby, and never got a penny back to buy tobacco with. And with you, and with you, and with you, Johnny lad, I'll dance the buckles off my shin with you, my Johnny lad.
Cope sent a challenge to Dunbar, St. Charlie, meet me again, ye dar, and I'll learn ye the art of war if you'll meet me in the morning. Aye, Johnny Cope, are you walking yet, or are your drums a beating yet? If ye were walking, I would wait, began to the cause in the morning.
Friends, I have a sad story, a very sad story to tell. I married a man for his money, and he's worse than the devil himself. So I'll go and I'll get blue, blazing, blind drunk, just to give Mickey a warning. And then just for spite, I'll stay out all night and come rolling home drunk in the morning.
I am the forester on this land, as ye may plainly see. It's the mantle o' your maiden deed that I mun hae for thee. Weigh me rude and verity right, me verity on.
A tripper lad come here a night, were riding he was weary. A tripper lad come here a night, when the moon shone bright and clearly. Bonny lassie, I lie near you now, bonny lassie, I lie near ye. I'll gar your ribbons reel, in the morning ere I lay.
Oh, rattle and roll and Willie, oh, he's out here the fair to try and sell his fiddle and buy some other wear. Fair and way his fiddle, the sulky blunt is he. Oh, rattle and roar and Willie, you're welcome game to me.
Three gypsies came to her hot door, and oh, but they sang bonny, oh. They sang so sweet and so complete that they stole the hair to a lady, oh.
We're all met together here to sit down and to crack, with glasses in our hands and a work upon our back. There's no trade among them to me, the men are back. If it wasn't for the work on the weaver, if it wasn't for the weavers, what would they do? They wouldn't have clays made of wood. They wouldn't have a coat, no, neither black nor blue. And it wasn't for the work of the weavers.
As I was walking along lane, I heard what Corby's macramane. The tenant day that till did say, oh, what shall we gan and dine the day? Oh, what shall we gan and dine the day?
I am a miller dame, a trade, and that's a will you can know. I am a miller dame, a trade, and that's a will you can know. I am a miller dame, a trade, and many a sack of meal I've laid. I've courted many a fair young maid at the back of the sacks of meal.
Gen a body meet a body coming through the rye. Gen a body kiss a body, need a body cry. Elka lassie has a laddie, name they say he aye. Yet all the lad they smile at me when coming through the rye.
Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, your faults I will proclaim. Your doctrines I mun blame, you shall hear, you shall hear. Your doctrines I mun blame, you shall hear. Oh, my love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like a melody that's sweetly sung in tune. As fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas gang dry. Till all the seas gang dry, my love, till all the seas gang dry, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas gang dry. Till all the seas gang dry, my dear, and the rocks melt away the sun. Oh, I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run. But fare thee weel, my only love, and fare thee weel a while, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 mile, though it were 10,000 mile, my love, though it were 10,000 mile, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 mile.
Charlie is my darling, my darling, my darling. Charlie is my darling, the young chevalier. 'Twas on a Monday morning, right early in the year, when Charlie came to Upton, the young chevalier.
Is there for on his poverty that hangs his head and all that? The coward slave, we pass him by, we dare be poor for all that, for all that and all that, our toils obscure and all that. The rank is but the guinea stamp, the man's a gout for all that.
A wee bird came to your ha door, he warbled sweet and clearly, and I, the Orcam always sang, was way as me for Prince Charlie. Oh, when I heard the bonny, bonny bird, the tears come dropping rarely. I took my bonnet off of my head, for will I lose Prince Charlie.
'Twas in and through the window broads, and all the turly-whirly sorts, the sweetest kiss that e'er I got was from my dainty Davy. Lees me on your curly pow, bonny Davy, dainty Davy. Lees me on your curly pow, my ain dear dainty Davy.
Oh, my nut brown maiden, Eerie, my nut brown maiden. Oh, maiden, for she's the maid for me. Her eyes so mildly beaming, her looks so frank and free, waking and in dreaming is evermore with me. Oh, my nut brown maiden, Eerie, my nut brown maiden. Oh, maiden, for she's the maid for me.
A merchant's son, he lived in Long, and to the beacon he has gone. He mounted on a noble steed, and away with pleasure he did ride. Fal de dural do, fal al de day.
Once was a troop of Irish dragoons come home marching down through 5EO. And the captain's fall in love with a very bonny lass, and the name she was called was pretty Peggy, oh.
As I come down by Strickentune, I had a fair maid morning. She was mocking, sair complained for her true love never returning. Fare thee will ye Mormon Braes, for oft times I've been cheery. Fare thee will ye Mormon Braes, for it's there I lost my dearie.
As I come in my Taramerkid 40p, I fell in with a wealthy farmer, the man yard to Delgety. Lentonari, Turinari, Lentonari, Turini, Lenton, Lauren, 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 the barn yard to Delgety.
Come ye by a full lad way the fella back down by the Tommel, the banks of the Garry. Saw ye the lads away at bonnets and white cocards, leaving their mountains to follow Prince Charlie. Follow ye, whoa, wouldna follow ye long, hey, ye elude us and trusted us fairly. Charlie, Charlie, whoa, wouldna follow ye, King of the Healing Hearts, bonny Prince Charlie. I've heard them lilting at the milking lassies a lilting before break o' day. Now there's a morning on Ilka green lawn, the flowers of the forest are away to warm.
I'm a pale roving lassie, my fortune's been bad since I fell in love with a young sailing lad. I was courted right gladly by night and by day, but the lad I loved dearly lies a distance away.
As I was walking one fine summer's evening, walking down by the Brumaire, it was there I met with a fair young maiden. She'd cherry cheeks and skin like snow.
Though far from him I wander, my thoughts will I return. in the shieling by the burn. I see the cozy ingle and the mist of the bray, and joy and sadness mingle as I lisp an old world lay. And it's all but I'm longing for my own folk, though they be but lowly, poor and plain folk. I am far across the sea, but my heart will ever be back home in dear old Scotland with my ain folk.
I must away now, I can no longer tarry. This morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stumble into the arms I love most.
Ali bally bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some coulter's candy.
And if she is handsome, that'll be alright. And if she is ugly, what's the odds at night? Buy broom besoms, wall, buy them new. Fine heather braiding, better never grew.
Oh, the trades are tight, they can, the begging is the best. For when a beggar's weary, he can I sit down and rest. To the begging I will go to the begging I will go.
There are 2 bonny maidens and 3 bonny maidens, come o'er the mench and come o'er the main, with the wind further way and the curry further hame, and they're all dearly welcome to Skye again. Come along with your booty and your song, fine bonny maidens, my 2 bonny maids. For the night it is dark and the red coat is gone, and you're all dearly welcome to Skye again.
Come ye fae France, come ye doon Milan, and saw ye Geordie whelps, and this bonny woman were ye at the place. Caught the kettle whoozy, saw ye Geordie's grace, riding on the goosey Geordie, he's a man. There is little do that he's done now he can. Walking day we to dinner come a blade, blinking like a lorry, he would drive a trade at the loom with Geordie. Away, ye gay landscapes, ye garden of roses, and you let the minions of luxury rove. Restore me the rocks where the snowflake reposes, though still they are sacred to freedom and love. Yet Caledonia, beloved are thy mountains, round their white summits low elements roar. Though cataracts foam instead of smooth flowing fountains, I sigh for the valley of dark Loch Nagar. Call the owls to the knowes, call them war, the heather grouse, call them for the Barney rose, my bonny dearie. When o'er the hill the eastern star tells Buckton time is near, my Joe, and ouse and fray the furrowed field, Cleaton said Dolph and weary, oh, down by the barn where scented barks with you are hanging clear, my Joe, I'll meet thee on the Leary, my ain kind dearie, oh.
Ye von kiss and then we sever, ye farewell and then forever. Deep in heart run tears, I'll pledge thee warring sighs, and groans I'll wage thee.
Bonnie cherries blew a war, safely o'er the friendly main. Money a hair will break in twain. Should he ne'er come back again? Will ye no come back again? Will ye no come back again? Better would you cannot be. Will ye no come back again?
Do you see yon bonny shepherds as they walk along, with their ladies put about them, and their sheep they graze on? Bass, bass, bonny lassie, and come along with me, and I'll take you to Glen Isla, near bonny Glenshee.
There was a lady in the north, I ne'er could find her man, oh. She was courted by 9 gentlemen, and a blue boy lad frae Yarrow.
Oh, the shearin's no for you, my bonny lassie, oh, the shearin's no for you, my bonny lassie, oh, the shearin's no for you, for you're back at one of you, and your belly's rowing full, my bonny lassie, oh.
When I was a wee thing and easy led astray, before I would work, I would rather sport and play. Before I would work, I would rather sport and play with my Johnny on the banks o' Red Road.
all you gallant poachers that ramble void of care, that walk out on a moonlight night with your dog and gun and snare. You harmless hare and pheasant you have at your command, not thinking on your last career upon Van Diemen's land.
Oh, rowan tree, oh, rowan tree, you lie be dear to me. Entwined thou art with money ties, oh, hame and infancy. Thy leaves are I the first of spring, thy flowers the summer's pride. There was na sic a bonny tree in all the countryside. Oh, rowan tree.
Lassie with the yellow coatie, will ye wed a moorland jockey? Lassie with the yellow coatie, will ye bosk and gang with me?
Heel ya ho, boys, let her go, boys, bring her head round and all together. Heel ya ho, boys, let her go, boys, sailing home, home to Mengley. What care we though by the mentions? What care we for wind or weather? Let her go, boys, every inches, sailing home, home to Mengley.
Down yonder den there's a bloomin' lad, and some summer's day he'll be all my ain. And sing laddie-I, and sing laddie-o, the bloomin' laddies are all the go. Should all acquaintance be forgot, and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot, and days of auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, dear, for auld lang syne, we'll take a cup o' kindness yet for